In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a work or school account to Microsoft Teams. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a computer, you can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. On mobile, just open the Teams app like you normally would. Before you begin, it's a good idea to close any extra Teams windows or sign out of any accounts you're not using, so things don't get confusing later. Once Teams is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click or tap on that. This is where you manage all of your accounts and settings in Teams. A menu will appear with options related to your profile. In this menu, look for something that says Add Account or Manage Accounts. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Teams, but it will be very close to that. Select that option to start adding your work or school account. Now, you'll be asked to sign in. Enter the email address provided by your work or school. This will be the same email you use for other Microsoft 365 services, like Outlook or OneDrive, if your organization uses them. After you type in the email, choose Next, and then enter your password on the following screen. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, you might be asked to approve a notification on your phone or enter a verification code. Just follow the prompts until the sign-in is complete. Once you've successfully signed in, Teams will connect to your organization's account. You should now see your work or school account listed under your profile. In many cases, Teams will automatically switch you into that new account, and you'll notice different teams, channels, and chats specific to your organization. If you need to move between accounts, just click your profile icon again and select the account you want to use. This makes it easy to switch back and forth between, for example, a personal account and a work or school account. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've added a work or school account to Microsoft Teams, and you're ready to start collaborating with your classmates or coworkers.